you can avoid ferries on Google Maps. Now, what avoiding ferries means in Google Map is that while you are using Google Maps for directions, you will have to avoid, or if you want to avoid any waterways that are, goes through water, you can avoid that, and I'll teach you guys how to. But before that, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. So let us start. Now, the first things first, just open up your Google Maps. And after you open your Google Maps, go to your search bar and search for, your destination. Let us just type in our destination right here. And after you type in your destination, you can just tap on directions and choose your starting point. Now, choose your starting point, and yeah, after doing that, just search for directions like this. And now what you need to do is tap on the three dots on your current location. Now it's right beside your current location. After you tap on it, tap on options, and after you tap on options like this, you will see the option to avoid ferries. Tap on avoid ferries, and your maps location will get again rerouted, and you will get the direction, you will get the way from which you will just avoid any waterways. So yeah, that is basically it, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and bye bye, take care.